Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You begin by acting fast. Open WhatsApp and find the unknown sender in chats. Tap the contact header and choose block. When prompted, also report if the message looks like spam. Once done, do not reply. Answering confirms your number. Make sure to save any legitimate numbers to your address book now so they are recognized as contacts later. These first moves reduce messages immediately and give WhatsApp data to flag repeat offenders. Next, lock down who can reach you. Go to Settings, Account, Privacy and set last seen, profile photo, and about to contact so strangers can't probe you. Then open Groups and select My Contacts or My Contacts, except to stop unknown people adding you. Enable two-step verification to protect your account and check for app updates so security fixes apply. These settings reduce unsolicited contact attempts and make it harder for unknown numbers to interact with your profile or add you to groups. Finish by cleaning up leftovers. Mute or archive persistent unknown chats, then delete threads from your phone to remove notifications. If unknown messages keep coming despite blocks, go to Settings, Help, Contact Us, and send logs to WhatsApp support. Include examples and timestamps. Make sure your app and OS are current. Clear cache on Android if messages hang. If harassment persists, consider changing your number and notify your carrier or local authorities. That one escalation stops repeated abuse when everything else fails.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.